Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World unboxing video. Today we'll be taking a look at the new extreme chomping Spinosaurus from the Camp Cretaceous toy line. And I've got a little helper with me. It's my cat Nassy. He is a Bombay tuxedo mix, so he's got a cute little face and some white bits. Looks like he's wearing a suit. Oh yeah, thank you, bud. So yeah, let's begin with the box. It's got the typical Carnotaurus Toro and all the characters on the sides, and then the rest of them with Bumpy right here. And this packaging does not include the typical little card sticker maze that it usually does. And you can see in this corner here, we've got the Albertosaurus and Sarcosuchus from the same lineup. That got moved over from Primal Attack to Camp Cretaceous. And on the bottom, there is a way to get the figure out of the package because the feet are kind of like pegged in. Oh, there's something interesting about the packaging I just noticed. There is a footprint, I think a shoe print, on the inside of the cardboard. So it's, someone stepped on this. It was on the ground, and someone with like dirt on their shoe stepped on it. It looks like a small shoe. Maybe it like got knocked over or something, and some kid stepped on it in Walmart. Anyways, that's interesting. Holy cow, I've never seen a Jurassic World packaging with a shoe mark. Like, was that caused recently, or maybe before it got shipped? Anyways, we're going to ignore that because we're taking it out of the package. Doesn't really matter. So, taking a look at the figure, it's got a chomping action. The tongue, as you can see, is kind of loose in there. It does have a stopping point, so it doesn't go fully down when the mouth is open, but it kind of flops around when you open and close the jaws. And it's got a really nice red coloration on the head and the sail, and this kind of tan white going down the side, and some really nice color features on the sail as well. I really like the pattern on this one. When I first saw it, I think the images were a lot lighter, but as you can see, this figure has a nice darker contrast to it. The claws are not painted, which is kind of a disappointment, but can't have a perfect figure now, can we? So first you clip those two. You can see Nassy peering around the corner. Oh, so cute. So let's take the bottom out. So right here there's a little kind of hole cutaway area. You just reach your finger in and pull. I completely botched that, so we're going to ignore that. And you'll see these two little pegs here. You can pull that out, up, and then up. And then for this one, up. Are you going to jump down? Aw, he's abandoning us. He does not want to be on film. Very sad. Okay, so this should come out now. There we go, it is free. Whoops, I dropped the box on a dinosaur. Okay, so now that we got it free from the packaging, let me just fix the lighting. For some reason, nowhere in my house wants to have proper lighting, but that's fine. I'll get there someday. So here it is, the new extreme chomping Spinosaurus. I would compare it to my other Spinosaurs, but they're kind of packed away at the moment. I think I do compare it to the Legacy one and the Hasbro one in a earlier video. So if you would like, you can take a look on my channel, go down and find those. But for now, we'll be comparing it to the new that Battle Damage Rex. I can't remember the exact name for it. So let's move it to the front because it's actually a lot smaller. And I like this pair because they share a similar earthy color to them, very natural looking. And they kind of fit well together. Like this paint job I'd see on I'd like to see on more Rex figures, and I'm assuming this is Rexy, judging by like the colors and the sculpt. And this represents the Jurassic Park 3 Spinosaurus slightly better than the old one, just color-wise, I guess. Except for the eye. As you can see, the eye on this figure is orange. And on the first Legacy Spino, it is green, just like in the movie. But that's okay. I think it looks really nice with the orange because it doesn't stand out too much. It looks more natural that way, as the rest of the body has warm colors on it, like the reds, the tans, and the browns. And with the Rex over here, it's more in scale, I guess, with the smaller Rex that it fights in JP3. I mean, the Spinosaurus is quite large in the franchise, but there's quite a debate over like the size compared with Rexy and say the Indominus, and I'm not really going to get into that because Mattel, like, you can't do anything about scale regardless. But this Spinosaurus is a really nice scale in comparison to the these Chomping Rex size figures. And they're really great for photography because these two are quite posable. They have necks with multiple points of articulation, which is superb. You can have them looking down, up, around, and you can even recreate certain poses from the movie. I know in the Legacy figure, some of the promo shots had it in certain stances and kind of compared it to what it looked like in the movie. So Mattel really paid attention to like how this figure could bend and move, and I enjoyed that a lot. The only pet peeve, the only like small thing that annoys some fans is the tail length. It is actually quite short in comparison to the rest of the figure. Holy cow, that is beautiful. Man, I like that pose. That looks nice. I'm gonna have to save that for one of my photos. If you guys want to see some photos of this magnificent figure, be sure to go check out Brennan the Paleo Dude on Instagram if you haven't. That's where I post all my photography and other stuff like that. So yeah, I can't wait to get out and take some photos of this. This is my second Spino out of box. So here's my other one. And there's quite a lot of opportunities with two Spinosaurs. I know there's only like one, most likely one on Isla Sorna, so it wouldn't really make sense to have two, but like, you know, might look good in photography. Oh, they look so good. That is awesome. I was thinking of a repaint. It would be nice to repaint a figure. Maybe sometime down the line I might. I know I said that in an earlier video that I might give it a try because I've already done a repaint on one of the Chomping Rexes back a while ago. I made it look like the original Kenner Rex, and that was quite fun. But right now I have all my stuff packed away, like the airbrush, so that would not be till a lot later. So yeah, hope you guys liked this little review and unboxing video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment. I appreciate it greatly, and if you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.